Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 0.7%. There. On the S&P, Nasdaq 1.2%, semiconductor 1.9%, Dow 0.4%, Russell 2000, energy only sectors with green numbers. Transport, banks, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market. These guys are down. Bitcoin down. Gold, silver miners are also. Dollar up. Oil down. Treasury bond down. VIX popped a little bit. Let's do this. S&P 500 ETF. Spider. 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed on Friday. Looks like we actually saw a gap down this morning, and looks like that down gap isn't fully filled here. So you can see when we gap down, prior resistance did act as support here, and coinciding with the micro-term moving average in that vicinity. So on the first hour, second hour, third hour though, it looks like bulls went for it to fill the gap, the down gap, but they were not able to succeed. As you can see right here, that gap wasn't fully filled. A lot of times when the gap doesn't get fully filled, in this case down gap, it's gonna favor the sellers. And the fourth hour came back down, fifth hour, and then sixth hour, pretty much moving sideways after the down gap, staying above the micro-term moving average there. So I want to talk about this gap here. This down gap, I'm going to zoom out. So you can see we got to that down gap on Friday. That down gap was opened on September 16th right here. As you can see, that down gap wasn't fully filled on Friday. And because of that, we see a gap down this morning, and then all throughout the day in today's session, buyers are not able to fill that down gap again. The down gap that happened this morning. So we got this down gap acted as a resistance on Friday, and this down gap this morning acting as a resistance today. So what are the support levels that buyers can kind of look forward to going into this week? Well, we got the micro-term moving average. We're right above it. And just underneath that, we do have the rising uptrend support right there. This thing going all the way down to the low here on October 13th at 350 on Spider. That's the trend we've been in the last close to 3 weeks here, right? So that level is just right here. If we do lose that level, which is 385 or so, looks like my short-term moving average currently residing at 383, and that level did act as support at 379. So that's going to be the potential level of support. The strongest support will be 379 or so right here, this level, because this was a stronger resistance, as you can see, right? That 379 was a stronger resistance because we saw a heavy tankage for an entire week. And that level did act as support on Thursday or Friday morning here, looks like, right? So that 379 is going to be stronger support. We're at micro-term support at 385 or so. For the buyers, if you're looking to see higher prices, perhaps everybody's eyeing on, all the buyers are eyeing on maybe 400, you must fill this down gap right here, and both of these down gaps. Best case scenario will be gapping up above it to make the transition that much smoother. But if these two down gaps are not filled as quickly as possible, it will be better if they can fill it first thing tomorrow morning. If not, I could see 380s or so in the coming days. So check out that oscillator. And to make things worse, we have the bearish divergence right here. Perfect. You can see we got the higher high, and we got the lower high on that oscillator. And that oscillator did cross to the downside towards the end of the day today. So not only bulls did not fill those two down gaps, now they have to deal with this bearish divergence. So if they do not act quickly, we could see bears, hungry bears coming out and trying to push things down. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Go trading tomorrow.